Can't reach that one.
That's okay. This is Ryder and Dexter's F2B Golden Doodle litter. They are all sold in this litter. And let's see. This one is the Purple Ribbon Female. Okay. Orange. This is the Orange Ribbon Male. Be careful with them.
Green.
And this is the Green Ribbon
Male.
Male.
Did I do? Nope. I don't think I did.
What is it, brown?
Yep.
This is the Brown Ribbon Male. The little tails are just wagging.
Black and white.
And this is the Black and White Ribbon Male. Lime green, you didn't do lime green. And this is the Lime Green Female.
We'll move to this stuff.
Come here.
And there's pink. There's the pink ribbon. You didn't do that one either.
Nope.
Or the orange. And this is the Red Ribbon Male. There's
There's
pink.
orange.
Yeah, I don't think you did orange. Ooh! He about
Yeah,
flipped right out of your
always.
hand. And this is the Orange Ribbon Male.
And then pink.
Right there. Oh, that's red. Pink's down here. Oh, that is pink right there.
Yep.
Come here. Come here.
And this is the Pink Ribbon Female right here. And I think we got everybody.
Yep.
I did black and white, we did purple, we did black. There's the brown one. Listen to Chalet's litter. They're being bad. You guys are being good. Huh? Yeah, you getting the drinkies. Uh-oh, that's green in this litter too. What are you doing, babies? Hi. That's the black and white one.